Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Today I am going to talk about a very popular product which is very much popular nowadays in Bangladesh. Yes, you are hearing me correct. The Matcha Mud Mask, Leuco Matcha Mud Mask. Yes. So this is the Matcha Mud Mask. First of all, I am going to tell you about the packaging. Yes, you are hearing me right. The place of origin is China. So basically Matcha Mud is origin is China, and you will also get a barcode here. You can scan it, and also you will get a QR code here which you can scan and make sure that it is actually real or fake. This product is completely real. Yes, I actually scanned this QR code and it came a real product. So the second thing that you will get, the uses on the packaging, that here they have the uses system. You will get the warning that if you have allergy on your skin, you can't use it, or you have another problems. So that's the warning, and you will get the lot number. Here is the lot number and the expiry date you will get, and the third thing that you will get, the ingredients, so what they have used in this to making this pack. So what is actually matcha? Matcha is basically a young plant of a green tea. So we all know that matcha green tea is a very beneficial product for our skin, especially oily acne skins. So I am going to read the box for you. Here they have claimed that Leuco Matcha Mud Mask is rich in tea polyphenols, firming the skin and shrinking the pores. And they have a lot of oil controls solutions, cleans pore, removes aged keratins and all that. And the second thing, they have claimed the ingredients. So what are the ingredients? Main ingredients are water, mineral oils, sea mud, salt salaries, alcohols, then they have benotiod, tea, and all that things. So I have read the box for you, the full. So I am going to open it now. So this bottle actually comes with a green type bottle. This is basically a glass material, and here is actually, you can see that here is Leuco Matcha Mud Mask, and you will get the net gram here. It is actually 85 gram. So I'm going to open it, and you will also get sealed type cloth here, and this mask is basically, see, this is actually literally a paste type product, and this color is green. Okay, so what are the benefits of this Matcha Mud Mask? So basically they claim that this can solve your acne and pimple solution, and of course they can also tighten your pores, and they also removes the black spots after you have an acne on your face. And they also claim that they have the solution of anti-aging, and they can also fair your skin and make your skin more brighter than before. They also removes the blackheads, whiteheads problems, and they are actually able to tighten your pores. Basically, I am using this product for 3 to 4 months, and I didn't get that much result on my acne or the spots, but truly I have gotten a lot of positive reviews. So এখন আমি কমপ্লিটলি বেয়ার ফেসে আছি, এন্ড এখন আমি আপনাদেরকে দেখাবো কিভাবে মাচা মাড মাস্কটা ব্যবহার করতে হয়। সো এটা হচ্ছে আমার মাড মাস্কের বটলটা, এন্ড আফটার ওপেনিং ইট এখানে একটা ভালো করে সিল করে দেওয়া আছে। যখন এটা আমি খুলি, সো আপনারা দেখতেই পাচ্ছেন যে আমি কতটুকু এটা ইউজ করেছি। সি, প্রায় অলমোস্ট আমি এটা 3 মাস যাবত ব্যবহার করছি, এন্ড এটা অলমোস্ট খালিও হয়ে গেছে। আজকে আমি ইউজ করে দেখাবো কিভাবে এটা আমি প্রতিদিন ব্যবহার করি। যে আমি খুবই পাতলা একটা লেয়ার আমার স্কিনে করে নিয়েছি, অ্যান্ড এটাকে অবভিয়াসলি আপনাকে 10 থেকে 15 মিনিট আপনার স্কিনে রাখতে হবে। যদিও অনেক ধরনের ফেসবুক পেজে আপনারা দেখবেন যে 20 থেকে 25 মিনিট বা 30 মিনিটও রাখতে বলে, বাট এই প্যাকেটে খুব ভালো মতো এটা ইউজিং প্রসিজার্স লেখা আছে, অ্যান্ড এখানে খুব ভালো করেই বলা আছে যে এটাকে যেন স্কিনে 10 থেকে 15 মিনিটের বেশি না রাখা হয়। সো আপনার এটা 10 থেকে 15 মিনিট জাস্ট স্কিনে রেখে নর্মাল ওয়াটার দিয়ে ওয়াশ আউট করে ফেলবেন। সো সিম্পল। সো আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন আর আমার স্কিন খুব ভালো মতো ধুয়ে ফেলেছি, অ্যান্ড অবভিয়াসলি এটা একটা ইনস্ট্যান্ট ব্রাইটেনিং লুক দেয়। সো আফটার ইউজিং মাই মাচা মাড মাস্ক, I am going to use a good quality moisturizer. So I am using today Neutrogena moisturizer. So I'm going to apply some. Now I am done. So basically this is actually good for oily to all kind of skin types. If your skin is oily, you can just go and choose it, because oily skin have a lot of problems like pimples, and they have a lot of oil controls on their faces. Well, basically I am using this product for 3 to 4 months, and I didn't get that much result on my acne or my pimple solutions or the spots, but it actually tightened my pore, and they actually claim that they are able to tighten the pores. If you have a lot of pores problem on your skin, just go and just buy this product like blindly, you can say. So, and another thing is that about fair skin, there is nothing in this world, in any product, that can make you fair. So this actually bright your face 1 or 2 shades, but not actually give you that much fairness on your skin. Last but not the least, I'm going to tell you that these products actually beneficial for those who have oily skin or oil-based skin. If your skin is quite dry, I'll suggest you not to go with this product. They claim that this is actually made for all skin type, but I'm going to tell you, if your skin is oily or oily based, just go with this product. Because if you have a dry skin, this is actually a mud mask. If you have a dry skin, so this can make your skin that more dry. Like if you have an oily skin, it can just have a dry finishing on your face and just balance your oil control. So I'll suggest to those people who have oily skin, just go and buy this. This is actually a great solution of pores and anti-aging. So just go and buy the product. And where I have just buy the product from, I have ordered this product from SA Corporation. This is actually a very valued page in Bangladesh. So this product is actually real from there, and this costs different pages you will get it between 500 to 600. I'm not going to mention the original product which I have brought. So don't just miss to buy the product. And this is all for today. If you want to know more about this product, or if you have more queries, or if you want to know the more solutions, I'm going to tell you, and just comment below. And please stay tuned with me, Nadia, and just subscribe to my channel, hit the like button to the video. Thank you so much. That's all for today. Bye bye.